Hello, my name is Arnoldo Fernandez from Bonastre Systems, and today we're going to talk about the Magic Renova system. You can use this system to refinish your calcium-based stones like your marbles, travertines, and limestones. In this case, we have a dark emperador marble here with some etch marks, and we can restore them with this kit. It consists of 4 discs in one pad, and you can have it either with a flexible drill attachment or without it if you have a hand polisher. We're going to start with the number 1 disc, which is the red one. This is a 400 grit disc, and it's going to help you to remove the light wear and etch marks on your stone. First, you have to do around 4 to 6 passes and check if you already remove all the damage on the stone and you have an even finish. If you still have some damage, then you have to do another 4 or 5 until the damage is gone before you move to the next step. You always want to use water to lubricate the system. Once you're finished with step number 1, the red disc, and you're sure that you remove all the damage, make sure to clean the surface so it's ready for the next step, which is the number 2 orange disc, and this is an 800 grit disc. You only need to do 4 to 6 passes, but make sure you have an even finish before you jump to the next step. Also, always lubricate with water. Once we finish with the step number 2 and we make sure that we have an even finish, we can start with the number 3 disc, which is the yellow one, and this is a 1500 grit. Same thing, 4 to 6 passes, make sure you have an even finish before you jump to the next step, and always use water. Next step is disc number 4, blue disc. This is a 3000 grit disc. Same thing, we're going to do 4 to 6 passes with water. Make sure we have an even finish at the end. The last step is going to be the green pad. This pad is a 3500 grit, and just like the other ones, we have to work it with water.
As you can see, we got a mirror-like finish with the Magic Renova 5-inch drill kit.